Hello and welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how to make a decent dessert out of oatmeal. It's going to be a strawberry oatmeal chocolate pudding dessert. Fairly easy to make, very delicious. First thing you'll need is just some regular oats. I just used quick oats. And with the quick oats I used 2 servings of this, so 80 grams. It's 300 calories. Placed it in a bowl, put in about a cup to a cup and 3/4, placed it in the microwave for about 1.5 minutes. Let that sit for a minute. After that, I added 1 scoop of strawberries and cream protein powder. Mix that up. So after I mixed that up, I went and made some chocolate pudding. For the chocolate pudding, I used sugar-free Jell-O pudding mix. And I used 20 grams, which is 2 servings, so 60 calories. I placed that into a bowl with 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk. 30 calories for 1 cup. Mix that together. And then also added 1/2 scoop of chocolate fudge protein powder. So with this, any kind of strawberry protein powder you can find, going to vary on your different kind of calories and all that depending on what kind of brand that you buy. Same thing with the chocolate, but if you find a strawberry and a chocolate, either way too. If you can only find, a strawberry, you can do this either other way. You can mix this with any kind of flavors that you'd like, but strawberry and chocolate go very good together. So I made the oatmeal strawberry, and I made the pudding chocolate. Then I just get a dish. This is like an 8x6. Spread it all on the bottom. You don't have to put it in a pan. I'm just putting it in a pan to make it look more presentable. You can keep it in the bowl if you want to keep it in the bowl. It does not matter. But added the protein to make this more anabolic, make you feel more full. Protein makes you feel more satisfied, more satiated. Definitely high protein diets help keep you leaner because you feel fuller. Oatmeal does keep you nice and full too. So definitely a great way to make a very healthy, delicious, high protein dessert. When I made this, you want to make sure that you let the Jell-O sit for a good 5 to 10 minutes. Set it in the fridge. Just whisk it all together. Your pudding mix, make sure you have a low-calorie almond milk. You can use fat-free milk if you want to use that. It's just going to add some calories, but I went the choice with a 30-calorie milk. Your preference, how many calories you're allowed for the day, is up to you. But let it sit after you do that. Then we'll just spread this on top. Going to coat the top of the oatmeal. After you spread that on top, what you can do, which is optional, get yourself some graham crackers. I used the 1 serving of the graham crackers. This is optional. You don't have to if you don't want to. You can add anything. You could add strawberries on top. Really anything that you like with chocolate and strawberries. but I decided to use some graham crackers. One serving is 2 full sheets. It's 130 calories. I took it, placed it in a bag, crumbled it all up, and then we'll just go in here and spread it on top. Give it a little bit of extra flavor. There you go. And then also, if you want, add some chocolate syrup. All these are additives, all these are different. You don't have to if you don't want to, but it's going to be, for one serving, 10 calories. And give it some more chocolate flavor. Not much at all, but there you go. Very delicious, high protein dessert. Really crave your sweet tooth. Now, if you were to make this without the graham crackers and just the chocolate pudding and the oatmeal, it would come out to 585 calories. It would be 75 grams of carbs, 10.5 grams of fat, and 49 grams of protein. So under 600 calories for a very high protein dessert. That's very delicious. If you wanted to add, it would be, if you added the graham crackers and you added 1 serving of the sugar-free syrup, it would be 725 calories. So really your preference on what you're going to do and how you want to make this, but very delicious. Not a bad way to make a dessert when you're really craving something that you want to stay low calorie, high protein. So thank you guys again for watching my videos. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Hit the bell button to be notified of any new videos that come out. And you guys have a great day.